What's going on, guys? This is Sarko Sukis YT here, and today we will be showcasing my Uberpod from War of the Worlds, or known as WTW 2005, in Build a Boat for Treasure. These are the aliens in my theory, of course. Yes, I added Uberpods and tripods, aliens, I'm trying to make them look good, but turn out bad, lol. Let's go up inside to the Uberpod now. First off, let's admire the exterior work on my Uberpod. Yes, making the hood was easy. These are the 5 searchlights, which was easy to make. Just make a circle of metal and put neon. This is the side view. I also made 2 recent Uberpods, but let's talk about that later. This looks very good. I also made a working probe. I don't know why, but it's just for roleplay and fun. Yes, it's like an RC missile mechanics. These dudes are chilling here inside my Uberpod. Yes, it's the Uberpod aliens. These rooms are the engine rooms powered by a biomechanical reactor on the 2nd floor. I put inside my Uberpod, and I want to show them because it's very unfinished. And this is the biomechanical reactor I was talking about. It's a theory, not full-on accuracy scale, yes. Let's be the Uberpod now. And yep, I didn't do the Cyber Zero Mega tutorial because my Uberpod is a bit too big for the mechanics, and I tried it, and it failed horribly. These tentacles wiggle smoothly, yes. Let's explode the Uberpod now. And yes, I made the reactor and the engine's explosive for detail, and maybe you'll add heat rays soon. Boom! The Uberpod exploded satisfyingly. And then look at that. It's come crashing down now. There's a lot of debris. Yeah, I put very much effort to my Uberpod. Please, I consider you subscribing and liking. I prefer you skip to 347 because you don't want to wait loading, and I'm a noob at editing, not that much, but I do know the features of Clipchamp. Let's try out the probe now. And trust me, it's very easy to make. I'll make a tutorial on the hood and the probe later on the next video. And boom, we are the probe now. This is its point of view. Yes, it's very easy to make. Let's be the Uberpod again, and then explode it again. These are the orange blood spraying, and I don't know how it got it to orange when it's supposed to be red, or it's some sort of Martian blood, a human's blood, is maybe processed to the Martian crew and turned to this color orange. Alright guys, goodbye. See you on the next video, and kaboom.